La la luma. La la luma. La la la. La la la. La la la. La la la. La la la.
Check out what just came in. Oh, how's it going, Dan? Check out. Are you filming this?
Yeah, I'm filming this.
Awesome. All right, check this out. All right, just arrived in the box from China. It's all kind of smudged.
Did you want us to do something with it?
Open it up. Hang on. You should be wearing a Rapido t-shirt. If you're in a video,
Is that a Rapido
where's your
plaid?
Rapido t-shirt?
Is that your Rapido plaid, Mr.
Yeah.
Doctor Who?
No,
Yeah.
I've got the Rapido t-shirt and the Rapido mug.
Terrible. Let's see these things.
Where's the blister? No blister. Okay, I think we're gonna have to cut forward to it after we open this.
Yes, we have bubble wrap today.
Oh, it's very nice.
You see?
Nice.
Very nice. Look at that.
Be careful not to lose the horn here.
That's the 192, the Santa Fe rebuilt. RDC 1/3.
2.
Yeah. 1.5. God, that's
Come on,
gorgeous.
Jordan, what's taking you so long? Jason's
do it
helping you?
Hey, you're going
Hey.
bald.
I'm not
Oh my
going
God,
bald.
you are
Hey,
completely.
there is
going bald.
nothing wrong with that. Stop
He's
it.
completely going bald here. I can see he's got a really, really
Tip his
big
head down.
head.
Tip his head down.
I'm the one with the
Oh
knife.
yeah, wow. You're as bad as me.
No, he can't.
Sure.
All right, and it's broken.
Oh,
See, after all that, you broke it.
you broke it. You broke it.
Yeah,
Plow's off. Oh well.
It's always Jordan that breaks it.
It's
Way to go,
it
Jose.
glues
You know
back
what?
in.
You're fired. This is amazing. Look at the size of this. This is bigger than my basement.
Oh yeah,
A little bit.
and best part, we got baby.
Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at this.
Where can we put these down? Over
How
here?
about right here?
Yeah, here's good. Yeah.
One of the first things that I do when I get a Rapido model onto the layout is I do the awesome slow speed thingy. In your manual, if you have a DCC sound equipped model, it's a really great thing that tunes the back EMF reception of the decoder, and it makes sure that it operates so slowly. All right, we're going to go into the programming, program on the main. We're going to do CV54. We're going to enter value 0, enter, get out of program mode, hit the bell. And it's going to go away. Beautiful. Okay, the first thing we'll do is we're going to start up the sounds. F8 does that. So let's give her a start here. So right now we're starting DC 191, which is the coach RDC in the Santa Fe set. And I have to say, there are people who think our RDC sounds are wrong. They're recorded from real RDC. If you remember an RDC sounded like an F7, that was F7 sounds overdubbed over RDC footage. So they sound like a bus, just like that. Okay, let's get the rear markers on.
Nice job.
What I do?
Nothing.
Okay. Now we have the rear markers on. There we go, 192 is starting up. Okay, come around and show the front of the end of the RDC here. Let's put on the headlight. The headlight. Jordan, I don't remember. How do you turn on the gyro light?
Nous avons inclus un del sur le circuit.
That's French.
F10.
Thank you.
You're such a ning. We have gyro.
So this is our first sample, so we really kind of need to put something on the back of that PCB so it doesn't flash as much in the...
Oh, it's entertainment for the engineer.
What are they doing in there? Is that a disco ball?
All right, let's give this thing its first run on the layouts.
Oh,
Sorry.
Heading into the station. Let's dim the lights on F7. Lights are dim, gyro's off. You may not be familiar with our RDCs, so I'll point out a couple of neat features. First of all, we have interior lighting throughout. That includes lit number boards, which are on the sides on the Phase 1 RDCs and on the ends on the Phase 2 RDCs. We've got window blinds at random heights. We have several different window strips with different blinds, and we install them randomly at the factory, so you have a variety. We have reduced the volume of the compressors. But another feature we've added is we now have a latching reed switch hidden in the roof, so we can turn off the interior lights and the number boards so that if you're parked your RDCs in the yard, they're not on all the time because they are powered by the track. This works in DC and DCC. Got your number boards on and your interior lights on with the Rapido lighter, which is included in the box. It's another neat feature which improves the RDCs for your layout.
Boy, those are nice, aren't they?
Why don't you show them the features? I mean,
Yeah.
you did design this project. Right?
I'd be happy to.
I'll shut up 192.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you. So, many of the details we've picked up from the first run RDC, and if you're not familiar with those, we have photo etched details on the grills and so forth on the top, see-through fans, full interior if you can catch that. But the fun thing with this model is that all of the drive system is incorporated in the floor, which means that it looks just like a passenger car. It is completely see-through. You can see the full interior. There's no motor pods in there that you have to worry about. And we keep joking that the best way to view a Rapido model sometimes is upside down, but
When it derails and falls down a hill.
absolutely. But the silver paint really just shows off all the pipes and all the underbody detailing. Yes, there are actually supposed to be two shades of silver on this. Somebody had asked this earlier. The motor pods and the battery boxes were actually stainless steel, which you can see with the different colors on here, but the rest of it was a silver paint. So that is actually prototypically correct and not a mistake.
We should add that we know what an RDC looks like underneath because we own one.
And we spent a fair amount of time crawling under them too. That's correct. Yeah. But just an amazing amount of stuff underneath there, and even down to the sand hoses on the trucks, as you can see, the speed recorders on the trucks or the
Roll-acron system. Check out the end chains.
End chains, photo etched wipers. I mean, just an amazing amount of detail on these. The Santa Fe rebuilt unit has very, very subtle rivet detail to show the pop rivets on the side or the spot welds where they actually plated over on the rebuild, and they've just come out spectacularly with the silver paint. This is the first time we've seen them in a full production. It's just amazing.
Yeah. I just love the antimacassars on the seats.
Yes, absolutely.
Nice blue seats with the white antimacassars on there. Gorgeous. We got new interior. We got new body. We've got new details. Check out the stirrup here. You see the stirrup that it doesn't have a normal vestibule because that was when it was rebuilt. You got the Pilot 2 is rebuilt. It's all rebuilt for Santa Fe. So it's a brand new body.
Exclusive to Santa Fe and exclusive for this model. Yeah.
Exactly.
Only time ever offered, Plastic.
Where's your gyro?
Oh right. So I've got F7 pressed, and that dims the headlights and turns off the gyro. Press it again. Headlights are brighter. Gyro comes on, and let's go. Hey, beauty bus, eh? This is an amazing club. This is the Railview Historical Society. That's what it's called, right?
Yep, that's right.
This is a great club, and we're across the street from Rapido, which is awesome. Now, you guys are both members, right? Yeah. So you guys are both. And Dan, Jordan says that you built this entire section.
Built all the way down.
Yeah, this is why you're never
Zone
working on my
2
layout.
man.
This is why he's always building here. Thanks a lot, eh? Anyway,
Anytime.
well, thanks for letting us use the club. I think this has been great.
anytime.
It's gorgeous.
Guys,
Gorgeous.
you guys go on back to the office. I'm going to take a spin around the layout. Should take me about an hour, hour and a half.
All right,
So,
see you later.
have fun.
All right, thanks. Thanks, guys.
Watch that red signal.
La la luma. La la luma. La la la. 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 La la